Dear students, welcome to the online class. How are you? I hope that you are doing well. Dear students, this is Banik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today I will discuss the cost of living index from the chapter 7 index number. Dear students, this is our lecture number 10. Students, previous lecture I discussed the mathematical problem of uh, various method of index number. Now I will start the today's lecture. The method of cost of living index. There are two methods of estimate the cost of living index. The methods are number 1, aggregate expenditure method. Number 2, family budget method. Now, I want to discuss the aggregate expenditure method. This method is based on the Laspierre's method. Thus, the cost of living index, it is denoted by C suffix on equal to summation Pn Qo divided by summation POQ, then multiplied by 100. This is called the aggregate expenditure method of cost of living index. Another index, when the experimenter has to deal with a large number of people, then this is the suitable method. Thus, the cost of living index is suffix on equal to summation Pn by Po multiple W divided by summation W, then multiplied by 100, where W equal to POQ. Now, dear students, we can solve the mathematical problem of cost of living index. Then you can write the problem. At first, we draw some commodities. DTs. Then we can write quantity in 1990. Quantity year 1990. Year 1990-93. Price 1990, quantity 1993. There are 5 commodities such as A, B, C, D, E. 100, 25, 10. Plus, we have to draw 6 commodities. F, extension করে নিলাম একটি, 10, 20, 65, 30. Base year price 8, 6, 6, 5, 48, 15, 19, 12, 7.50, 5.25, 52, 16.50, 27. We can find the aggregate expenditure method of expenditure method of cost of living index. Cost of living index. Now we can solve. At first, necessary calculation. Solution table for necessary calculation. You can draw a table. POQ. Bezier quantity QO, Bezier price PO, quantity current year quantity QN, then current year sorry আমরা এটা price denote করে নিই price current year price PN PO QO then PNQ. We know that the cost of living index, similarly the Lesper's price index. QO 100, 25, 10, 20, 65, 30. PO 8, 6, 48, 6, 5, 48, 15, 19. PN 12, 7.5, 0, 5.25, 52.00, 16.50, 27.00. Then sum total of summation POQ equal to summation POQ 800, 150, 50, 960, 975, 570. The total value is 3505 and multiple by PNQ, that means 1200, 187.5, 52.50, 1040.50, 40.00, 172.50 and 810.00. Then the sum total PNQ equal to 362.5. This is the calculation table. At first we can solve. Now we calculate the cost of living index of aggregate expenditure method. So cost of living COA n equal to summation PNQ by summation UQ, then multiple 100. Then PNQ 4362 62.5 divided by 3505 and multiple 100. The final result is 124.60. Now we can comments. In this method, the cost of living increased by minus 100. That means 24.46%. In this cost of living index, the cost of living comments the cost of living index the cost of living is increased by 1 to 4.60 minus 100% or 24.60% as compared to 1990 as in 1993. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the math. Now we can solve the another problem, the cost of living index by the family budget method. Another problem we can write problem number 2. Problem number 2, commodity, and commodity. There are 5 commodity A, B, C, D, E. Price per unit, price per unit টাকা 1993. Expenditure, total expenditure February 1990 in 1990 in টাকা 320 250 500 540 1200. Current share price 340 300 550 600, 1400. Expenditure 11,600, 6,500, 1,500, 1,080 and 3,000. Now we can calculate the cost of living index of family budget. Solution: find the cost of living index. Find the cost of living index by family budget method. By family budget method. Solution: table for necessary calculation. PO, PN. Expenditure, that means W. Denote the W. That PN, PN, PO. PN, PO. PO means 320, 250, 500, 540, 1200. This is price index of base year. PN, price index of current year, 340, 300, 550, 600, 1400. And W, expenditure. W 11,600, 1,500, 1,500, 1,080 and last 3,000. Now we can calculate PN by PO. PN by PO. Finally, PN by PO equal to PN के PO the divided by 340 by 320. This value is 0.90. Serially, we can write 1.00, 1. PN by PO 1.0625. Serially, we can write 1.2000, 1.1000, 1.111 and 1.1667. The sum total PN by PO equal to or at last multiply by W, then sum total. PO by PN by PO multiple W. 1312325 7800 1650 1200 3500. Then the sum total of Pn by Po multiple W equal to 26475. Now you can write the formula of cost of living by the family budget method. By family budget method, cost of living by family budget method. Budget method. The formula the sum total of W equal to sum total of W 23680. Cost of living index summation Pn by Po multiple 100 by multiple W divided by summation W then multiple 100. This value is 26475 and sum total of W 23680 then multiple 100. Then the final result is then the final result is 111.80. Comment: in this method the cost of by family budget method the cost of living increased by 111.8 minus 100 at the percent or 11.80% as 1990 with respect to the 1993 with respect to the 1990. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the two method of cost of living index. You watch the class attentively. If you face any problem discuss with me. Now I will write given you homeworks. Today's homework is 739 exercise now 9. Okay, dear students, at last I want to say you stay home and stay safe. Thanks to all. Goodbye.